Valerie calculates that she can see 247 and 49/100 kilometers to the horizon from an airplane window. How high is the airplane? Use the formula V equals 3.5 times the square root of h, where h is the altitude in meters and v is the distance to the horizon in kilometers. The first step in the 5-step process is to familiarize ourselves. We were given the formula V is equal to 3 5/10 times the square root of h, and we were told that V is equal to 247.49 kilometers. To translate really means to take this equation or this formula and substitute the 247.49. So the second step, translate, yields 247.49 equals 3.5 times the square root of h. Divide both sides by 3.5. 247.49 divided by 3.5 equals the square root of h. Now, to solve for h, we would square both sides. On the right-hand side, of course, it gives us h. And in fact, at this point, you would substitute it into a calculator, and it will give us an approximate value of h of 5,000. That was the carry-out step where we solved for h. The next step would be to check, and really the only check would be to do the calculations again. I've done that, and 5,000 is correct. So now let's state the answer. The altitude of the plane is about 5,000 meters.